What's up, YouTube? If you remember back in the Ninja Rocks video, we were scrapping that Saturn car. Well, what you didn't see is I snatched the two airbags out of it while I had it here, and I decided to blow the head off this bear. First things first, I had to get the airbag inside the bear and behind its head. I began by cutting a hole in the back of the bear's head, and it became obvious that either I need a smaller airbag or a bigger bear. Well, I didn't have a bigger bear, so we had to try to make the airbag smaller. Now, I have never disassembled the airbag before, so when I went to put the disassembled bag in the back of the bear's head, the charge came out of the bag. So that obviously wasn't going to work. So I just bolted the backing plate back onto the airbag to hold the bag to the charge. Once I got the airbag to fit behind the bear's head, it was just a matter of positioning it and then wiring up the bag, which, by the way, I'm not going to show you how to do that. And I'm going to say that you shouldn't even attempt to do anything like this unless you really know what you're doing. You have to think about safety when blowing an airbag. You need to wear the proper protective gear, including a face mask, hearing protection. You need something to protect your body, and a fire extinguisher. The airbag gets extremely hot, and stuffing it in the back of a bear's head with all that cotton around it is not really a good, it's not really a wise choice. So I have the fire extinguisher and a water hose nearby, and I'm going inside the building when it's time to blow it off. After all that, I put a 50-pound bag of sandblast media behind the airbag to hold down the bear and keep the bag from just blowing backwards. Now for the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. That was awesome. So as cool as that was, I still think that I could do better. One of the things to be improved upon is the bag was not secured well enough and launched probably another 40 feet from the bear. The airbag also touched the ground and wasted a lot of energy to the ground instead of blowing out the bear. So subscribe, because I am going to get a larger bear and try this again with the passenger side airbag.